Good afternoon, student.
Good afternoon, teacher.
Sit down.
Thank you, teacher.
Hello, student.
Hi, teacher.
How are you, all of you?
I am fine. Thank you, teacher.
Today we are going to learn about look at the picture, read the words and write one or many. Ready for you all, students?
Yes.
Okay. Look at in your textbooks, all of you. Kavya, stand up. Read the textbooks.
One cat, many cats. One mouse, many mice.
Okay, sit down. Mithali, stand up.
One flower, many flowers. One leaf, many leaves.
Okay, sit down. Om, stand up.
One cat, many cats. One mouse, many mice.
Okay, very good. Next, Rajesh.
One flower, many flowers. One leaf, many leaves.
Okay, very good. Sit down. You have show the objects and tell me one and many things. Mithali, stand up. Show the one and many things.
One pen, many pens.
Okay, sit down. Kavya, stand up.
One bottle, many bottles.
Okay, very good. Sit down. Radhika, stand up.
One chalk, many chalks.
Sit down. Next, Om.
One pencil, many pencils.
Okay, very good. Sit down.
One book, many books.
Okay, very good. Bye, student.
Bye.